After understanding what is operating system, let us see what is graphical user interface. The graphical user interface is a type of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. Means it is a user interface, means we have to deal, when we deal with machinery, any machinery, there is some way we can give the instruction to that machinery as to how it will perform the various functions. Like, not only in computer, you have seen the graphical user interface in the phones also. For every application there are some pictures there, graphics are there, in which you will click and the function will be performed. Similarly, in computer we can see various icons, various pictures are there, like you must have seen for the paintbrush, for games there are various pictures in which we don't have to read the text written there, and we can know just by looking at the picture that what is being done in, if we will, what will be done if we will click on that picture. So it helps us in interacting with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. Visual indicators means we just have to see them. There is no need of reading what is there. So it makes our work easier, because even the children can recognize which application is used for what. The actions in a GUI are usually performed through direct manipulation of the graphical elements. Means we don't have to type anything, we don't have to type any command, we don't have to type any instructions, we just have to click on these pictures. We are manipulating only the pictures, only the graphics for performing our task. Like, if we have to print something, we just have to click on the icon of print. We don't have to write anywhere or do anything else. So we are manipulating only the graphical element. For example, all versions of Microsoft Windows utilize a GUI, whereas MS DOS, disk operating system, does not. A major advantage of GUIs is that they make computer operation more convenient. Means in MS Windows, which we are using these days, which you see in your computer, we utilize GUI. But earlier, when your parents were small or when I was in the school, at that time there was MS DOS also, in which we have to learn long programs for giving any instructions. Okay, so at that time pictures were not used in the manner they are being used now, and thus easier to learn and use. A GUI uses windows, icons and menus to carry out commands such as opening, deleting and moving files. Means it is using windows. For every application there is a separate window, then icons. For every task there are various icons like cut, copy, paste, etc. and menus to carry out commands. Means there are various menus in which it is written also along with the pictures. If we want to open any file, delete, moving, anything. Although many GUI operating systems are navigated through the use of a mouse. And how we will open the applications? Using the mouse. We open almost every application with the help of mouse. The keyboard can also be utilized by using keyboard shortcuts. You have learnt various shortcuts and you will learn more shortcuts in later classes for various options. Like for pasting, we can click on the Ctrl plus V together, so it will be so the pasting will be done with the help of that shortcut. For example, it is much easier for a new user to move a file from one directory to another by dragging its icon with the mouse than by having to remember and type commands to accomplish the same task. Suppose these are various folders. These are various applications. If we want to drag one file to the another folder, what we can do, we will just click on the file and we will drag it and keep it in the next folder. Or like you understand by a simpler example, if we are working on a paintbrush, if we have to draw a line, we will just click a line by dragging our mouse. We will draw a line by dragging the mouse. What if you have to write 10 instructions for drawing just one single line? It will be difficult. So, GUI has made our tasks easier. GUI operating systems have become the dominant operating system used by the present day end users. Examples of GUI operating systems are MS Windows, Apple System 7, Mac OS and Chrome OS, etc. So, these are various operating systems